Hi friends, so this is my complete Indian look, and this is a normal Indian cotton long kurti, a floor length. So I have just to make it a party wear or function perfect, I've added a Banarsi dupatta, and so this is how it looks. Elegant, stylish, and so Indian. I love Indian outfits and Indian look. So I'll just give you a close-up look, like with my outfit, how my eye makeup or the makeup looks, and I'm all done. And let me know. Feel free to message me, contact me if you're really interested in knowing more about this eye makeup or black eye, smoky eyes makeup that I did it my way and in a quick way because I'm still not a pro, but I tried. And I hope, do let me know in the comments. Please let me know, message me. How did you like my smoky eye makeup? Bye friends. Love you all. Thank you so much for watching my video, and hope to see you soon. Bye. Thank you.